Hello everyone, today let's talk about a differential oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal, and the color is red-brown, there is copy. Look, this has with a spring, and the size is internal diameter is 62, in the external diameter there is 122 and 128, and the single is 12 and 27. This oil seal have many following features. The first one, it vulcanizes at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion and high temperature resistance, and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pour water and decaying spring and decaying skeleton. This is a spring. It is a so beautiful oil seal. And we can also customize the service. And if you are interested in this product, we can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order. This is applicable to whole heavy truck,